What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and today we're going to be pond fishing with the Cokie. And if you have been watching some of my shorts, you've seen that I've been catching a few fish on it. Came out here yesterday, caught a few more, and I'm rigging this up with a size 2 treble hook, 15-pound line, just a medium heavy rod, and then I got a little nail weight there in the bottom, and we're gonna see if we can catch some fish. And I know sometimes that this thing for some people is confusing to fish or hard to rig, and it can be, but I just come out here and throw it and let it sink, kind of like a wacky worm. That's kind of how I'm fishing it, but I'm twitching it like a jerkbait. There's one. Nice. Don't come off. The hookup ratio is not great with this thing. Not a bad one. Oh. There we go. That's a good one. It's a good one for this pond. Look at that. He choked that thing. That's down the gullet. It's hooked perfectly. Exactly how you like it. On the Cokie. I was just explaining to you how to fish it too. So, like I was saying, you just throw it out there and twitch it. Not a bad one. He's long. Needs to eat him some bluegill. He's skinny. But there he goes. And this bait can be fished in all kinds of different situations. You can hop it around docks. You can, right now I'm just fishing it over some shallow grass. You can live scope it. You can throw it over deeper grass. Any of that. You can throw it over rock piles, brush piles. It's a very versatile bait, and it can imitate a bluegill sometimes, maybe a bug in the water, but people have their different opinions on what it imitates, but I really don't think it imitates anything. I think it's just something different that the fish haven't seen before, and kind of drives them crazy when they see that thing coming, hopping by their face. There's one. Stay hooked. He's barely hooked. He's not very big, but he's barely hooked. Yeah, there you go. Just flop right up there. Nice. Ow. He's out there in that deeper water. See, sometimes I only barely get it in the corner of the mouth like that, but he stayed hooked up. The hookup ratio is not always the best because it's a big ball with a bunch of tentacles, and sometimes they only just get the tentacles. But there you go. Not a bad little guy. He's also skinny. Needs to eat more bluegill. Oh yeah, I watched that one eat it. He swam over and I watched him eat it. Oh my gosh, there's like 4 or 5 of them with him. There's a bunch with him. Oh, no, don't do that. No, he came off. He got stuck on that piling right there. And he came off. Ooh. No. There was about 4 or 5 other bass with him. No. Man, it stinks. That was awesome. It came up and ate it almost off the top. No! Came off. He came out of the water and ate it almost on top water. But that's what I was saying earlier, is like the hookup ratio on these things is not good because all these tentacles. It's the same way whether you have a hook out the bottom, a big hook on top. I've experimented with this and it's just, man, it stinks. The treble hook is the best way that I found out to rig it, but you can't get them to get it all the way sometimes. Got one. Oh, that's a good one. Nice. Gotta keep him down. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. He's fighting like crazy. Stay down. Nope, don't go around that post. He's got it good. Nice, there we go. There's another one. That's a good one. This pond, that's a good one. Oh no. No. He threw my Cokie. Oh. Those are expensive. They're hard to get too. Dang it. Well, there's a good one. That one's a lot healthier. Man, he wanted that thing. There we go. Not a bad one.